Hey foodies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make extra chunky monkey muffins using the Little Spoon Farms sourdough banana nut muffin recipe. So basically what chunky monkey is chocolate chips, bananas, and walnuts. But instead of using walnuts, today I'll be using almonds and pecans. So I just took out my 3 bananas from the freezer to defrost. Now it's time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now line your muffin tin with paper liners. Now for the dry ingredients. You will be needing 250 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and lastly 1 cup of walnuts. But instead of using walnuts, I used a mixture of pecans, almonds, oats, and ground flax seeds. And I promise you that these muffins turned out pretty good, even though I added in all of these random ingredients. Now it's time to move on to the wet ingredients. Start out by mashing 3 bananas into a separate bowl. Then in another bowl, melt 1 stick of butter and then add in 200 grams of brown sugar and cream them together. Then add in your 2 eggs. Then add in your 45 grams or 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 125 grams or half a cup of sourdough discard, your mashed banana, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then combine. Now it's time to add in your dry ingredients and your chocolate chips. Then transfer your batter into your muffin tin. I ended up having a lot of leftover batter, so I took leftover batter and turned it into a bread, so I ended up making a bread and some muffins. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!